Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 13th of October 2025. We have the buy sell indicator right there at work, and I'm going to come right back to that after this strategy explanation. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 15 1x. We are on the smart trader interface and we're trading the touch no touch. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 15 1x right here. Trade type is touch no touch. Duration you set it to 6 minutes. Your barrier offset is plus 0.791. Enter the amount you want to stake. Is down. I'm going to click on touch. You can see right here we're watching the wall movement. Once it's down, you're going to click on touch. You can see it was facing right down when I click on touch right there. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. You can see the barrier is visible already, so we already won that trade. We made 2.94 right there. We're going to trade again. So we're watching the wall movement. You have to wait for it to go right down. You can see it's pushing right down again. It's down. I'm clicking on touch again. I'm clicking on view. This is a barrier offset. We already won that trade right there. Another 2.94. Let's trade again. Watch the wall movement. So once it's done, it's down again. So click on view right there. So you can see we already won that one again. So we're going to place one more trade. So for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. All you have to do is to this indicator works on Deriv and other broker platform that support MT5, and the instructions are right here to get the indicator. Sign up for a free trading account using this link. We're going to paste all these infos in the video description on YouTube. Subscribe to these channels, and the third channel. Then send an email with the subject free indicator to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account. We'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And our pip stripper bots, the touch skipper bots, they're still very active and effective. To order them, the links to order them are in the video description. We're also sending you free guide when you order any of our bots. You get some free stuffs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. So the link to order the Pip Super bot is there. The link to order the Touch Skipper bot is there. The links to sign up for a free trading account is here for those who don't have a trading account. The links to subscribe to our channels are right there, and other infos as well. Check the video description on YouTube. So let's place one more trade. Here. We're watching the warm movement, so let's wait for it to go right down. Smart trader. Don't forget we are on the smart trader interface. So you can see it's down right there, so I click on view. That's it, guys. You can see we've kept winning. So that's it for now. Just make sure you follow the steps. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.